What up, people? Deli Boy, and we're back with Pieces, episode 3. If you notice, this episode of Pieces is a bunch of different episodes, mainly because the whole original Pieces would have been way too long, and I didn't want to do one big badonkadonk video. I wanted to do a bunch of little videos for you guys. So we got the comedy sketch here, we got comedy sketch here, and we got what bang music and movies in the middle. So let's get into it. First things first, in regards to the movie, we've got Dredd. It is a remake of Judge Dredd with Sylvester Stallone back in the day. Now this is an exact remake where they take everything that happened last time, they try to make it better. They're doing a completely different story of Judge Dredd. So it's guaranteed to be a little more promising because it doesn't have anything to live up to. Now, the plot of the story is it's based in Mega City 1, and Judge Dredd and his new recruit with psychic abilities are stuck within this 100-level complex story, whatever, Die Hard setup type building. Now, they've got to work their way up through the floors of all these people who hate the judges. Judges are those judge, jury, and executioners. They're like police, but with too much power. Now, they've got to work their way up to get to Mama, the drug lord slash former prostitute who's peddling this drug, slow-mo, around the city. Slow-mo is what slows things down for people so they can see everything in its own little slowed down, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I don't know the word that I'm trying to say, so I'm gonna say beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now, they use these new phantom cameras to slow things down to 400th of a second, right? 400th of a second. So just this will look something freaking like, right? Or something with a little more special effects, as I don't have those. I recommend you guys see Dredd. It's gonna be a good movie. Support it. It's starring Karl Urban. I don't really know much from him, but from what I've seen so far, he does Dredd justice. Because Dredd's a cop in justice. Pooyah! Anyway, I recommend you guys check it out. Alright people, we got the music on Places. I want to thank everyone who's been sending in music, everyone who's been supporting the cause of music. It's been great to be able to have a sketch comedy show with music and performances and stuff. It's just encompassing a whole bunch of different elements that the UK has. And it's been a testament to all of you guys supporting, that you guys like what you see, you respect the comedy, you guys are with the trend, and you're keeping the ball rolling. Now, first artist up, J-Web, Saturday Night. Take it in, get a load, give a listen.
Right now your boy local, trying to go global. Inspiration, that's God and determination. Plus I got my little man, motivation, procreation, gotta make it. Time ticking, you say your rhymes ill, but really they kinda sickening. I'm itching, take over in my future. In the lab cooking early, skip a rooster. Need consumers, giving out mixtapes. And I killed it, that's a dead giveaway. Now get.
And next up we got Pascal with Good Night and Good Luck.
It's on cause I say so, cause I can. Ain't interested in many men like 51 one man. I wanna be happy like Mary Jane, I wonder like Stevie. Pray to God, believe me, it ain't easy to be me. So I take each day as it comes, while you couch potatoes, bitch at home and twiddle your thumbs. Have kid after kid screaming at the top of their lungs. Can a child raise a baby on limited funds? If this ain't real, then I don't know what is. It's as real as it comes.
Last but by no means least, we've got Kenny Khan and Jamstar, Skies of Blue.
I work all the time. What the hell is a 9 to 5?
Working, grinding, fighting through the system for my family. We ain't got the best things in life, but I make sure we live happily. Day by day, pay by pay. I love waking up, you open your eyes, smile and say, baby, let's spend the day. I love it when everything's okay.
That has been the movie review and the music for Pieces episode 3. Get at us on Facebook, the fan page is in the description, and the artists. Please support the artists. Support the UK artists that are doing their thing. Even if they don't sound UK, it doesn't matter. They are bringing it from home to you. The UK is a bunch of different nationalities, a bunch of different voices, a bunch of different sounds, and it's all coming together to make music. So support them in the description. Also, get at us on Twitter, D_B Productions. That's on the Twitter. Anything you guys have to access, dailyboyproductions@live.co.uk. We thank you for your support. We thank you for keeping the ball rolling with Pieces. This sketch comedy show has been an amazing project for all of us involved. Me, Mighty, Zero, Literal. I didn't forget your name, dude. Don't trip. It's just a thing where I'm excited because it's something that we were able to bring to you. It started nothing and it became something, and it all started from a dream up in here. Wish you guys a good night, good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you are, near or far. Keep in your heart, you'll always be a star.